Ready, start. The appellant is not satisfied that the Armed Forces Tribunal, Jaipur has allowed his OA and quashed the order of admonition passed against him on 18/1/2011. Full stop. He demands compensation for the wrongful order by filing the present appeal. Full stop. We agreed with him and for reasons to follow, allowed the appeal and granted compensation. Full stop. Facts of the case are that the appellant was enrolled in the Indian Air Force in 1997 as airman in the trade of radar fitter. Full stop. At the relevant time, he was posted on the strength of 333 TRU, commander of 5 FBSU, Air Force, where he commenced work from 16/11/2009. Full stop. The incident in question occurred on 17/5/2010, at about 14:20 hours when he was returning home from duty. Full stop. On his way back, he had to stop at a railway crossing in a civil area which was closed. Full stop. The gate was closed due to transit of a train. Full stop. The allegation against the appellant is that, instead of waiting behind the vehicles already in line at the railway crossing, he overtook all the vehicles, went straight ahead and parked his motorcycle in front of the railway gate. Full stop. Respondent number 7, a squadron leader who was also waiting for the railway barrier to open, approached the appellant and in single inverted comma exercise of the responsibility single inverted comma close conferred on officers of the air forces under para 565 of the regulations, questioned the appellant for overtaking all vehicles, pulled out the motorcycle keys and directed him to park his motorcycle in guard room. Full stop. The respondent number 7 handed over the keys to duty NCO and informed the appellant that his motorcycle is being confiscated for not following good order and Air Force discipline. Full stop. This led to an argument between the appellant and respondent number 7, wherein the appellant allegedly used insubordinate language within bracket यह क्या गुंडागर्दी है bracket close contrary to Air Force discipline. Full stop. Respondent number 7 ordered closed arrest of the appellant and informed the commanding officer and the adjutant of the unit. Full stop. Charge sheet for two offences, that is double inverted comma violation of good order and Air Force discipline double inverted comma close and double inverted comma use of insubordinate language to a superior officer double inverted comma close was drawn against the appellant. Full stop. The charge was tried by officiating commanding officer on 18/5/2010 and an order of admonition was passed on the same day. Full stop. However, respondent number 4, the station commander 5 FBSU sought sanction for expunction of punishment entry from the documents of the appellant and to proceed with de novo trial of the appellant for the above alleged misconduct on the technical ground that sanction under section 83 of the Air Force Act, 1950 was not obtained. Full stop. The appellant preferred a statutory complaint dated 24/5/2010. Full stop. This led to a formal investigation as ordered by respondent number 4 to bring out the fact of allegation made by the appellant against respondent number 7, and it was reported that the allegations made by the appellant were false. Full stop. However, by letter dated 23/6/2010, the appellant was assured that punishment dated 18/5/2010 would be cancelled and the admonition entry will be expunged from the record. Full stop. This litigation would not have survived if the above referred letter had been given effect to. Full stop. That did not happen. Full stop. V.K. Mohan proceeded de novo against the same charge and ordered for recording of summary of evidence on 36/2010. Full stop. The appellant preferred a representation to the air officer commanding in chief with the prayer to stay operation of order dated 36/2010 for recording of summary of evidence and prohibit the commanding officer to conduct the second trial for the same charges. Full stop. The representation preferred by the appellant was rejected by Chief of Air Staff, Wide Order dated 6/1/2011, full stop. In the circumstances, a second admonition order was passed against the appellant dated 18/1/2011, full stop. He appealed to respondent number 2 and even this was rejected on 28/4/2011, full stop. The representation to the Chief of Air Staff for reconsideration of order dated 6/1/2011, which was also rejected on the ground of it being repetitive in nature, full stop. Being aggrieved, the appellant approached the Armed Forces Tribunal by filing an original application, full stop. After hearing the appellant and the respondents and having gone through the materials and records before it, the tribunal set aside the punishment of single inverted comma admonition single inverted comma close passed against the appellant, wide order dated 18/1/2011.